Digital account opening process. All it takes is 2 easy steps from the safety and comfort of your home to open a new account. You will receive an email, resume your Kotak Securities application, and an OTP through SMS. This OTP would be used while recording video. Click on the Resume Application button available. Copy the link and paste it in the Chrome browser URL bar and click Enter. Now enter your mobile number. Next, click on the Send OTP button to receive the code on your mobile number and enter the OTP shared via SMS and click the Verify button. On successful verification, you will proceed with Step 1. Document upload. You may choose either a copy of your PAN card, passport or driver's license. Next, upload a copy of your self-attested PAN card. Finally, upload an image of your specimen signature. Now, read the undertaking and click in the box to confirm your acceptance. Now click on the next button to take you to part 2 of the process. Video in-person verification. Start by recording a video of yourself using your phone, laptop or any device of your choice. Once the recording begins, read the video IPv OTP received via SMS. Say your mobile number and email ID aloud. Remember to save the recorded video and check if all the details have been captured. Now upload this recorded video by clicking on the Choose File button you see on the screen. Please ensure that the size of the video file is less than 20 MB. Click on the Next button to submit it. That's all there is to account opening.